A deadly accident that involves a truck, tanker, and motorcycles has claimed the life of a mother and her 2 kids, including another individual in Ondo State. According to reports, the woman, who is said to be pregnant, died yesterday, August 29th, in the horrible accident at Ikari, Akoko North-East Local Government Area in Ondo State. A number of persons sustained severe injuries in the accident. It was reported that the tanker conveying diesel had a brake failure and rammed into a moving truck, which eventually crushed commercial motorcyclists. Speaking on the incident, the spokesman for the Federal Road Safety Corps (FRSC) in Ondo, Omotola Ogumbawo, confirmed that 4 casualties were recorded in the terrible event. However, eyewitnesses claimed that casualties recorded were 8 in total. The bodies of the deceased persons have been evacuated and deposited in a morgue.